Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have your advanced Java exams upcoming and you are starting at the massive syllabus wondering where to start, don't panic. You are in right place. Today we are breaking down exact high-yield questions that university exams and reflect. We are talking collector string, string web components and JDBC. Like I have broken this down model by model so you can structure your revisions and perfects. Let's jump straight into the model 1. Model 1 is first of model 1. It is all about managing group objects. Here are brings and uh, brings big hitters you absolutely must prepare, and the core frame you need to be able to define the collect framework work and memorize the core methods, understand the collections interface. Then literals accept questions on how collect are accessed using an iterators, and then make sure you can write a quick and clean code. Example, you write one sentence and write code examples. Then class comparisons and algorithm latency code. Then the coding questions, the absolutely code man here comparator. You must know how to develop a Java program, demonstrate custom and sorting using comparator interface. If you get coding questions in model 1, highly like to be this one comparator, this to be this one, and programs also this one. Then go to the model 2. Model 2 is string handling. This usually a high scoring model. If you know your method, string basic, yeah, start with the basic. What is a string, what are the various string construct available, and string buffer, string builders. You will must almost certain be asked to be explain file string buffer method with examples, and some questions similarly. Now string buffer class and how functions like capacity and length operations of string. And then go to the next question. uh, Method go to the next question. Circle method. Memorize the exact behavior and syntax for these 5 methods. One is char, art, reason, math, and index of substring and compare to. These are string methods, and write the define and write the some codes examples in this method, and practical code. There is a classically repeated asked program you need to practice right now. Write a Java program to remove difficult character from the given strings, especially string exact compare such string and modify the string details. This is a remove difficult character from the given string, especially the string Java J2EN, and displaying the result. Write this down, memorize the logic and test it before exam day. Explain string builder following functions with examples, capacity and length. Then alright, model 3 is shift. Model 3 is gears into the desktop GUI development using Java. Seeing here your roadmap. architecture and features. You need to know that what string are there to these features and how to model view architecture, appliance string, then component sources container this also components and container, then event handling big code. These are important questions of third model. Then now enter to the serverless side of the Java with the model 4. Model 4 is life cycle basis and JSP tags, STP methods, cookies, sections, and environmental core packages. Many questions you study properly in fourth model and third model. And then finally, fifth model is fifth model. What are the questions? JDBC, and this is a connective Java code backend database, and questions are incredible, predictable questions. What are the questions in these models like drivers and stuffs must be merged. Different JBDC types there also matter and stuffs JDBC connectivity. Ready write the bilateral and code synaptic for the established connections and statements are processing, also transition metadata, then the be prepared to write a complete Java program that demonstrates to execute basic database transitions smoothly, and this all are fifth model questions and study this much questions, and then fourth model questions, third model questions, second model questions, first model questions. Study these questions in your some exams, and that is your ultimate target for advanced Java. You can confidently answer and write code of these specific questions. You are going to absolutely face this exam. If you want to me do any deep dive video solved coding questions we talked about today, like the Java difficult to remove alpha, beta, string, and applications, let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to drop the like and hit subscribe for more engineering exam preparation, and I will see you in the next one, and prepare this much questions in your exams, uh, and I will see you in next video. Good luck with your studies. Please subscribe and like it our channels for more exam preparations.